Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on bold reports. Often, the context of reports is difficult to understand without headers repeated on subsequent pages. Repeat headers on each page is a simple and effective technique that can significantly enhance readability and maintain context across multiple pages. In this video, I will show you how to repeat headers on each page in an RDL report to enhance readability and maintain context across multiple pages using the Bold Reports Designer. This process is the same for both web and desktop report designers. Here, I will use the Web Report Designer from the report server. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new report in the report server and name it Repeat Headers Report. Next, I need to create a dataset to use data values in the report. First, I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in the SQL server and name it AdventureWorks. As I have the database details in the form of a connection string, I use advanced options to use my connection string. Next, I choose the authentication type as none since the connection string already has the credentials. This button connects to the data source and opens the query designer. I name it Production Dataset. Next, I move to code mode because I already have the SQL query. I enter the query and click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. Then, click Finish to create a dataset. Before adding the table, let me add a header. First, enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text and resize it. Next, change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and the label Sales by Product. Next, format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust the spacing between the text. Now the header has been added. Next, I need to add a table to display the product sales details and add the necessary columns. And then add product category, subcategory, quarter, and sales as headers. And format them. Then, assign its corresponding values in the data row and format them. Since the currency value must be displayed in the currency format, I select the sales value cell and change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Finally, I will show you how to repeat headers on each page using Bold Reports Designer. To repeat headers on every report page, click the product category header row to enable the grouping panel. Now, I open the grouping panel in advanced mode to list all groups in static tablets members in row and column groups. Select the static column displayed in the row group pane. Open the Properties panel. Enable the Repeat a New Page property checkbox and set Keep with Group to After. Now everything is ready to preview the report. Switch to Preview. Click Go to Next to check whether the header row shows up on every page. You can see the header row displayed on every page. In this video, I have shown you how to repeat headers on each page in a table report item in the Report Designer. The link to the blog used in this tutorial is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.